Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Yaks, and this is episode 141 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking about my boyfriend is annoying me already. What do I gotta do about it? Does a 14-year-old need a photo ID? Here's a oldie but goodie. Tablecloths. Digital debarkation process on a back-to-back cruise. And why can't I bring water in a plastic bottle on the ship?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser's boyfriend was pissing her off already and said he was annoying, and she wanted to request that he sleeps in the brig or the jail cell for the rest of the cruise. What the hell's he doing? John said, unfortunately, that's not going to happen. He can't do that. But he will see if he can reserve a lifeboat for them, if that's enough. So he can just like sleep in a lifeboat. She can sleep in the room. Yeah, that'd be weird. But be a good way to get away from an annoying boyfriend. Anyway, question two. This cruiser just completed the online check-in for their family, and they had a quick question. Quick question. Do they need a photo ID for their 14-year-old child? John said no, they don't. The website does say that school and student IDs are valid with a birth certificate for 16, 17, and 18-year-olds. But 14-year-olds, you don't even have a driver's permit at that point in time. So no photo ID required for 14-year-olds. So if you like to bring your kids on the ship and they're 14 and under, you don't have to get them a license. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. On to question three. And this one has been a debate for ages. This cruiser asked for Carnival to bring back the tablecloths in the main dining room. It makes them feel special. John said there are no plans to do this, and it's a huge environmental impact washing all those every night, so that's why they're not going to do that. And I agree. It's a tablecloth. What the hell do you need it for? It's a giant napkin that covers the table. What's the point? You have a nice, and most of the tables are really cool, high gloss, shiny, easy to clean, pretty tables. And they're wood. What the hell do you need a napkin covering it for? So for the tablecloth people, which is just a giant washcloth, I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't think it adds elegance. I don't know. Anyway, I digress. Moving on to question four. This cruiser wanted to know how the digital debarkation process worked on a back-to-back cruise. So you have to do the little thing, get off, get your zone, this, that, and the other. John said, it's a very simple process. I have to read this one, so I'm not going to look at the camera. At the end of the debarkation on the first cruise, they will be escorted by one of the guest services crew to the terminal for a very quick and mandatory U.S. immigration check. Then you're brought straight back on board, handed a new cabin key and a coupon for a photo and a drink to be used that evening. So it sounds really easy. We've never done one. We are doing one in July, going to Celebration Key, which is a 3 and a 4. So we'll report back and see how easy it is then. We will see. All right, question five. I did 4. This cruiser wanted to know why Carnival prohibits guests from bringing water in plastic bottles, but yet they sell them on board. John said, I'll give you the official answer. John said they used to allow this, but people use it as an opportunity to put something stronger than water in those bottles. You still can bring canned water on board if you don't want to spend the money for the water on board. That said, you got a bunch of a-holes that done dumb stuff and they ruined it for everybody. So all you people that figured it out, how to smuggle water, liquor on a cruise line in a water bottle, you ruined it for all of us. And thank you. This is not the finger I want to give you, but thank you. Kiss my butt. That's been episode 141 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.